Hi everyone, today we got 36.5. You didn't get 36.2 or 1 or those, then you will definitely need to know about what this video is about. And also, we're going to be showing you a few tips as well, so watch right through to the end and you'll discover the tips of how to find things and what's missing and how you can actually help you. So look forward to that, and we're going to look at it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. My car is a 2019 Model 3, but this video is correct for all models and all years of the Tesla, including yours. Please subscribe and you'll get the latest releases, and I can provide personal help with the features and enhancements if you get stuck.
Hello, I'm over here.
I was shocked really because we got this 36.5. What's in it? Well, let's have a look.
Number 1.
As always, you press the actual car icon and then you press software, scroll up, hit release notes, and here we have it. It looks exactly like what's there for 20.22.36.2, and as you see, they've completely removed, this is what they normally do, they've completely removed the actual 22.36.2, but it's exactly the same. So you want to hit this video here if you've got this and you're thinking what it's all about. I've done exactly the same on 36.2, so it'll be in this video. This will help you and you can see it. Now, one thing that we have got, which is something that they've done now.
Number 2.
Autosteer Reminder. So as you're driving on and you haven't got auto steer on, it will come up and say put auto steer on. How do you get auto steer? Well, I'm going to show you, because this is something that you want to be using if you've not used it before, and it's there for you. You will find out. To get the car icon, then you go to autopilot, and the two that you need are these two that are on. So you will find them like so. You hit the first one, auto steer, and then you get a disclaimer saying that you need to put your hands on the wheel and all this nonsense. You say yes. Now you can turn on the navigation on autopilot as well, which means that when you're doing a navigation, it will actually take control of it for you and allow it to work. So you say yes, it says do that. They're the two things you need to switch on, and then you can use it. And then it's quite useful for when you're driving on motorways. It will take lanes for you and it will do other things. So if you've got that facility, then put it on. If it's greyed out and you can't use it at all, then you haven't got that facility. Now, one other thing. People are asking me.
Number 3.
How do you check what software you're on? Well, two ways you can do it. You can do it from the screen like this. You hit the car icon, software, and then you roll it along, and it will tell you software V11 in brackets 2022.36.5, and then there's a load of gobbledygook, 2AE, all that rubbish. You don't ignore that. That's the only bit you need where it says software. That will tell you what that is. The navigation data also is something that keeps changing on a regular basis, so that will be something that may be modified, and mine is 2022 EU 12.13.877, and it always says your car software is up to date.
Number 4.
While I'm here, one other thing that you should be looking at to get updates on a regular basis, make sure that you're in advanced and not standard. So swap it over to advanced, and also make sure that you've got your own Wi-Fi, because that way you will get the updates when they appear. Now sometimes it's not easy to see. You can do it on the phone itself, on the app. So let me show you two ways that you can check what software you're on the app and what software you're on the actual car. So let's go straight to the app now. Okay, from the app, all you do is you slide right down to the bottom and it'll say version 2022.36.5. Then if you want to find out what it looks like for the version of the app, not the screen, you hit the icon, which is your face, scroll down the bottom, and as you can see, it's 4.14.1 and all the other gobbledygook, and there you're set.
Number 5.
Right, let's have a look at the new Unlatch feature, because I left it a little bit unsaid on the last video, which if you haven't seen the Unlatch video, it is here, and that will tell you all about the Unlatch. But I'm going to show you now
Number 6.
how to get 4 icons into 5 icons on the screen, because that's been a bone of contention. It's quite difficult, and I'm going to show it to you. There's loads of people have been coming back to me, Mal, I can't do it. How'd you do it? How'd you do it? Well, I'm going to show you very simply so that you'll get it right every time. Make sure you put your phone on a flat surface, because that's what you're going to need. You need 2 fingers to actually do it. And let's have a look at this. Okay, so if you look at the screen, we'll hit the app, and can you see you've got the 4 widgets right across there. To get 5, you just hold the button down there, any one, and it opens up the customize menu. And if you look there on the left, it's there. Now what you want to do is, at the moment I've got the boot on one side and the front on the other. I want to put the new one right at the end. So what you do is you hold it up like this, using this finger, push it to the end and then flick it. And that's all you need to do. And now you have 5. Then you just go to the save. And there we have it. If you want to get rid of it so that you only got 4 again, hold it in like so. You just take it to the end and it's now, you've got 4. So with 2 fingers, you're just going to put this up here. This pushes it to the end and then just flick and there's your 5. So that's the mechanism, like that, and then flick and then you get it.
Number 7. Did you know this?
Okay, so did you know referral codes are coming back? Now, the reason it was taken away so abruptly before was, guess what? The certain YouTubers were actually able to get a few Roadsters as prizes. And Tesla haven't made them yet, and they've got to make 80 Teslas, Roadsters, to give away. That's 250,000 times 80 is, look at this figure here, and that is a lot. So they took away the referral program and stopped it for everyone. Well, now they're going to bring it back, so I'm going to be busy putting referrals in all my videos again so that you can use it. If you want to get a car, then you're going to be able to get that. So that's coming, and what they're going to give you is a few perks and maybe some more supercharging. So it's a bit up in the air, and we will be having it soon. In Tesla Scope have delved deep into the actual code, and they've seen that the actual app will be able to be switched on, and then you'll have referral codes that will give you some prizes. What do points make? Prizes. So that'll be good. So that's coming too. So that's going to be helpful, and that's something that we didn't know about, and now we do. Don't forget, watch this video here if you want to know all about the Unlatch facility. And we'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Until then, I'll be seeing you.